Welcome to the channel. Today we have the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, and this is one of the best flagships for Android, of course, out there. And today we're going to see whether it's capable of handling PUBG. I'm sure it is. It's really good, so it's definitely going to handle PUBG. But what is the frame drop like? So I'm going to put an FPS meter on the phone, on the screen all the time, and we are going to see whether there are any frame drops or not. We are also going to see the battery at the start of the game, at the end of the game. We are going to see if the phone heats up or not. We are going to see if it stutters. We are going to see all of that. So it's going to be interesting. For such videos, do subscribe to the channel, click on the bell icon, like the video if you like it, and comment if you want to have any questions you want answers to. I will respond to all of them. So do that. And now let's get into the video. So guys, with us is the S25 Ultra. Now this is the black color of the S25 Ultra with the titanium sides, and I think the color looks absolutely amazing. I have already put a scratch guard because I don't trust myself, so ignore that. But apart from that, it looks really good. This version of the S25 Ultra has the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, which is amazing, and it has got a 12 GB of RAM because this is not the 1 TB version. The 1 TB version comes with a 16 GB of RAM. The other good part about this phone is that the screen is crazy good, and the screen is a 6.9 inch 1440 into 3120 pixels that is really crisp and gets insanely bright. So I will show you that. It's really bright, which is what we need for a gaming thing. I have already put a FPS meter over here, and it is a live meter, so you can see that it is real time. I've already downloaded the game. Here is the game, and now let me check, is there anything which is in the background? No. Let's punch it then. 1, 2 and 3. So while this loads, let me put the volume up as well. So we got full volume. So the game is on. We have got 120 FPS over here on the top, and we have I've also put in the graphics to be ultra smooth, so you can see that over here. So we got 120 FPS, smooth and ultra extreme. If I can also reduce it to 90, but let's do 120 because we have the choice, right? And let me put the volume a little down because the phone is extremely loud, so I'm not sure if you guys can hear me. So now ultra extreme, smooth is this thing. I will click on apply. Okay, so the settings should have been applied. Now let's put the volume up again. Listen to the speakers. The speakers are absolutely loud. It is so loud. I'm really impressed with the speakers. Amazing. What do you think about it? Let me know down in the comment section. And now let's start. So now the game starts. So what we are going to do here is we are going to check a few things, like there is obviously 120 FPS, which is constant. Many people are saying that, oh, there is FPS drop. PUBG does not give actual FPS. That's completely wrong. If you see, the phone is constantly at 120 FPS, right? So which is the good part. So the screen is, at least the content which you're viewing is at 120 FPS. Obviously there might be some frame drops. Let's look at that. But currently, if you see, there is nothing which is dropping over here. Now with this into perspective, as soon as it comes, I will jump. So let's see. Okay, let's go. So the phone feels extremely smooth. You can see that we have got smooth over here. Okay, and we've just started the game. The battery is at 66%, right? So we'll also see what is the hit to the battery, so that we can see the difference and all of that. and it's going to be fun. So let's see how it goes. And the music is amazing. I mean, the sound quality is really good. The speakers are extremely loud, and I'm glad that Samsung has done some real work into the speakers, because at this point I don't even know whether you guys can hear me. Amazing. It is so smooth and nice. The gameplay is so it has started heating up a little bit. Consumables. It has started heating up over here somewhere, but nothing significant. I can still play, there is no problem as such. It feels pretty good, and the screen, if you look at it, it is so nice and crisp that you are playing on a high-end device. And earlier Samsung used to be the one which used to be like this. So guys, here I am going to keep playing the game, and I will come back to you once we are at this last circle. But as you can see, the frame rate is not shifting at all, and which is a real consideration which we have to make here, that this phone is actually very good, because the FPS of the phone is not dropping at all. Because I have a FPS meter right now over here, and nope, it's not dropping at all. So, which is fantastic, isn't it? What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comment section. Now let's do another check-in in a couple of minutes. So guys, now I have reached the final. There are only 2 people remaining, and there is someone just under the house, and let's see what happens. But it is still stable at 120 FPS. The phone is heating a little bit, so I am kind of sweating in my fingers, which is not a good thing. But if you put on a cover or something, then it should be perfectly fine to play and all of that. But let's try to win this if I can. Okay. So that is it, and I have won the game. Fantastic gameplay, really good. I thoroughly enjoyed myself, and the FPS has not reduced even in the last circle, which is one of the best things possible in this game. Now time to look at the battery. So let's look at the battery, and this is the battery. And if you see, I had charged to 85% 3 hours ago. PUBG Mobile has taken 1.9%, it has drained. Total usage was 50 minutes. The screen on, you can see everything, so there's everything over here. All in all, what I want to tell you guys is that it was 66% over here, and now it is at 55%, which is a little bit of a heavy reduction in battery. And with this, I think it's very clear that the battery is going to take a hit if you keep playing like this. But otherwise, I think overall it's been a really good game. Oh, the app shut off, which is weird. But anyway, so we did it. This phone is really good. So this was the video. So guys, this was the game. How did you find it? How was it? I think it did really well. I won, so that is another thing. And I keep doing this, right? The previous video also I won the game. I think it's phenomenal to win these games. It feels really good. But the phone also kept really well. Coming from an iPhone, using an iPhone always to do these games, to now using an S25 Ultra to play PUBG, I think it was a good experience. Really nice. The battery took a lot of hit. I did not expect it to. Being a new phone, brand new, I don't think it should have hit the battery that hard. But yes, that's how it is, and I wanted to show you guys. The gameplay is really smooth. It had stuck on 120, like I'd put like a 120 ticker over there. It just did not reduce, which is a very good thing. And yeah, that's more or less it. Let me know down in the comment section if you have any comments, questions, whatever it is. I respond to all of them. And as usual, thanks for watching.